So, solving a system means you have two equations, both with x and y. You have to solve for x and y using those two. There's three methods. Graphing, which you guys did last Thursday. Substitution, which we're doing today. And the next one's going to be elimination, which we're going to learn either tomorrow or on Wednesday. Substitution is easy to spot. So here's what I mean by that. Any problem I give you, you can solve using any method. I may also make my test like that, where I give you 5 problems and I just say solve them. You pick whichever way you like. You don't have to learn them all. I did that last year, and I had a kid graph every single one of them. And ace a test. First test he aced. But there is a specific way that you can spot which one is easiest to do. So, talking about substitution. I'm just going to go through example after example and kind of start writing notes down on the side. So example 1. Y equals 2x minus 1 and x plus 2y equals 8. What does substitution mean? What does it mean to be a substitute? To replace, to take its place. You're subbing in for that spot. So, in this case here, I know that my y equals this amount here. My y is a 2x minus 1. So whenever I see a y on the next problem, I'm going to plug in 2x minus 1 instead. So I get x plus 2. What am I writing instead of y? 2x minus 1. And I get equals 8. What's my next step? Distribute. X plus 4x minus 2 equals 8. Let's solve for x. What am I doing? Combining like terms. Then I heard it before, add the 2. Five x equals 10. And last step. Divide by 5 to give me that x equals 2. Am I done? No. A solution is an ordered pair. It's an x and a y. I only have my x here. So, you take this value. Guess what I'm doing with it? Plugging it back into the original. I get that y equals 2 times what? 2 minus 1. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Minus 1?
3.
What is my solution?
2, 3.
Good job. 2 comma 3. Now let's go through the steps that we did. Step 1 was to plug in the 1. Plug in the 1 that has x equals or y equals. Step 2 will be way down here. Plug this value to find the next one, or the next value. Meaning if you found an x, plug it in to find y. If you got y, plug it in to find x. And lastly, write answer as ordered pair. Example 2. Which one am I going to plug in to the other? Which one? The one on the right. How do you know? Good, because it says x equals. So this is going to go into my x. Go ahead and try this problem on your own. You get y minus 2 times what? Equals 6. Distribute the negative 2. You get y plus 6y minus 8 equals 6. You add 8. You get y plus 6y equals 14. You can combine these. The order of combining and moving doesn't matter. 7y equals 14. Y equals 2. Not done yet. Take that value, plug it in. I get x equals negative 3 times 2 plus 4. What's negative 3 times 2? X equals negative 6 plus 4. What's negative 6 plus 4? Negative 2. My ordered pair is negative 2 comma 2. Questions? And example 3. Which one do I pick? Anyone. So, here's what is happening. Because these two letters match, it doesn't matter which one you pick. Because what ends up happening is this. You end up getting negative 2x plus 1 equals x minus 5. They end up equaling each other. But now, if this said y equals this and x equals this, then you pick either one and plug into the other. But if they match, then you just kind of put them side by side. You solve. You get 1 equals 3x minus 5. If you wanted to move the x first, that's okay. You get 6 equals 3x. Yes, this is a 5. Divide to give me x equals You take that 2. You plug it in. And you get y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 1. What's negative 2 times 2? Negative 4 plus 1. My ordered pair is? Any questions? Any at all?